Hey everybody, it's Ryan, and what I have here is a melatonin. I can barely hold it together because I thought this was a tablet, but it's looks like a tablet, but it like falls apart, which is a good thing because these are a little bit different versus, let's just say, a gummy or a tablet. And so this is what they look like. Chewable by Blue Bonnet Melatonin 5 milligrams. I think they have a couple different sizes. But the one thing that I was hoping for, which confirmation when I received these, is that they look like a tablet, as mentioned, but they pretty much just fall apart. I mean, they just really fall apart. Like you can, when they're like a chewable tablet. So unlike like a gummy, which is a gummy, or a tablet that takes forever to dissolve, these things literally just kind of like I I mean, even if you almost have no pressure on it, these things, from a tablet standpoint, pretty much just fall apart and turn to like dust and absorb very, very quickly. I actually like these better than like a gummy because gummies seem to, for whatever, totally subjective, seem to take a little bit longer to dissolve and then absorb versus these, which almost instantly turn into like a powder, which is really cool. And so if you're looking for something that, also from a flavor standpoint, these are the raspberry flavors. Quite tasty, just being honest. So hopefully this answered any question you might have about these melatonin chewable tablets, not gummies and not tablets, but chewable melatonin by Blue Bonnet. Pretty good stuff. And side note, no extra preservatives or anything else in it, which is an added benefit. Hope that helps. So we'll talk to you soon.